Welcome to Rooted Grace. Today we enter the prophetic call of Haggai, a short but potent book that challenges our priorities and stirs our hearts to obedience. Haggai speaks after the Babylonian exile, when the people have returned to Jerusalem, but the temple remains in ruins. His message is simple but sharp: it's time to rebuild the house of the Lord. Let's walk through Haggai's timely challenge for every generation. The people have returned to the land, but they've gotten distracted. They say the time has not yet come to rebuild the Lord's house. Meanwhile, they live in paneled houses while God's house lies in ruins. Through Haggai, God asks, is it a time for you yourselves to be living in your paneled houses while this house remains a ruin? Then he says, consider your ways. You plant much but harvest little. You earn wages but put them in bags with holes. The problem isn't the economy, it's misplaced priorities. God tells them, go up into the mountains, bring down timber, and build my house. And the people respond. Zerubbabel the governor, Joshua the high priest, and all the remnant obey the voice of the Lord. God stirs their spirits. And he promises, I am with you. When we put God first, he shows up in power. In the 7th month, Haggai speaks again. Some of the older people had seen Solomon's temple, and this rebuilt version felt small by comparison. Be strong and work, for I am with you. Then comes a powerful prophecy. In a little while I will once more shake the heavens and the earth. The desired of all nations will come, and I will fill this house with glory. And he adds, the glory of this present house will be greater than the glory of the former house. This points beyond just the physical temple to the coming of Jesus, the true temple, whose presence brings eternal glory. God is not limited by what we see. When we obey, he builds something greater than we imagine. Haggai poses a question to the priests. If holy meat touches other food, does it make that food holy? No. But if something unclean touches holy things, does it defile them? Yes. The point? Their past disobedience had corrupted their worship. But now that they are rebuilding, God says, from this day on, I will bless you. Then God speaks directly to Zerubbabel, I will shake the heavens and the earth, I will overthrow kingdoms. And then on that day, I will take you, Zerubbabel, and make you like my signet ring. Zerubbabel becomes a picture of the coming Messiah, a royal descendant of David, chosen and sealed. Jesus is the ultimate Zerubbabel, God's appointed king who will shake the nations and establish his eternal kingdom. Haggai is short but deeply relevant. It teaches us God must come first. Obedience unlocks blessing, small steps of faith lead to greater glory, and God's promises still stand. Jesus is the true temple, the signet ring, the one who shakes the heavens and reigns forever. He calls us not just to build with hands, but with hearts devoted to his kingdom. Thank you for joining us for Haggai. Subscribe, share, and return for Zechariah, where visions stir hope and the coming king is revealed in glory. Stay rooted, stay faithful, and stay in his grace.